Are you doing regular checks on your smoke alarms at home? We all know the importance of smoke alarms to alert us of a fire either in other rooms or during the night whilst we're asleep. But here are some stats which quite frankly shocked us. During 2020 to 21, 28% of the fire call-outs in homes attended by the fire brigade for England either had no smoke alarm or it failed to operate. For Wales, the percentage went up to 39%. And for Scotland, a very scary 50%. Don't ever let you and your family be part of those stats. Make sure all of your smoke alarms are fully functioning and regularly checked.